Hello there, my tulips. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Bliss. How you guys doing today? Well, if you're new tuning in, let me give you a warm welcome. I'm so excited that you decided to stop by and check out today's video. This is the final review of the Nature's Choice hair vitamins. Okay, so let's just go ahead and let's just jump right into it. So as you guys can see, this bottle is completely emptied. I finished taking the last vitamin, I believe, Monday of this week, which would have been February 27th. I wanted to focus in on my nails because I know I did a video and showed you guys my nails where my nails were progressing very well. No sooner than the 28th, chipping began to happen to my nails, and I began to get these lines across my nails, and usually those lines across your nails is due to iron or biotin deficiency. So I'm not sure how this vitamin affected my hands, but it did a number on my nails for sure. So again, this is the 27th. You can see where my nail in the middle is chipped. My thumb nails look fine. I'm pleased with those. So now let's move forward to the next day, which is February 28th, Wednesday. I'm sorry. Did I get my days mixed up, y'all? I meant the 1st of March. So this is the next day. Here's my index finger. You can see where my nail is chipped on the side. You guys, let me apologize in advance. I was painting, so that's why you see all that white on my nails there. But I'm so disappointed because all of my nails were looking good until that index nail chipped, besides the lines. Now we're moving on to March 2nd, you guys. As you guys can see, I had to go ahead and I had to just clip my nails off. My index nail chipped. Then it cracked further down near the quick. My nail next to my middle finger broke off as well. So I'm starting fresh. So this biotin, after taking it, did not do any wonders for my nails afterwards. Let's check out She, honey. Let's look at She. So my hair looks strong from what I can tell. It looks healthy. It looks pretty good. Again, I apologize. A little paint got in my hair. I have to take care of that. But I will give you guys a true review of what my hair looks like once I take these braids down. That concludes today's video. I'll see you tulips in the next one. Smooches.